In today's video, I'm going to teach you to scan QR codes in CapCut. This is a quick way to open templates, effects, and other shared resources without searching for them manually. If someone sends you a CapCut QR code or you find one on a website or another screen, you can scan it right inside the app and jump straight to the linked content. Start by opening your CapCut app, give it a moment to fully load so you're on the main screen. From here, look toward the bottom of the screen for the Me tab. Depending on your version, it might also be labeled Profile, but it's the same place. Tap that to open your account area. We're heading here because the QR scanner lives in this section with other account tools, making it easy to access from anywhere in the app. Once you're in the Me section, look for the scan option. It may appear as a button that says scan or a small QR icon near your profile area or at the top corner. Tap it and your camera view will open. If you're prompted to allow camera access, go ahead and approve it so the scanner can work. Now hold the QR code in front of your camera, keep the code centered in the frame and make sure there's enough light so your camera can read it clearly. If the scanner doesn't pick it up right away, hold your phone steady, move a little closer or farther to bring the code into focus, and avoid glare from overhead lights or a glossy screen. Clean your camera lens if the image looks hazy and try to hold the code flat, not at an angle. When the code is recognized, CapCut will open the linked content automatically. You'll typically see a preview page with details about the template or resource. From there, you can decide what to do next based on what the item is and how you plan to use it. If nothing happens after a few seconds, make sure the code is a valid CapCut QR code and try again with better lighting or a more stable hand. A quick note on reliability and safety. QR codes are convenient shortcuts, but you should only scan codes from sources you trust. If you ever reach a page that doesn't look right, simply back out. And that's all there is to it. Open CapCut, go to the Me tab and tap Scan. With those simple actions, you can access shared CapCut resources in seconds and keep your editing workflow fast and organized. Thanks for watching and enjoy scanning your next CapCut QR code with confidence.